In this video, the E-Revo goes off a cliff, and so does the Inferno. Hyper 8.5 goes on 8S. And the Inferno hits a tree. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Hey, hey, Steve in the house, Mick in the house, right, got Inferno, Nitro. Is he going to get aired out?
Of course it will.
Yes. New bash location, what do you reckon, Stephen?
I like it.
Backflip wall. Yeah? Apparently there's a bit over here that's going to kill our RCs at the end. Let's check it out. Is the Inferno going to go down there?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah,
Oh.
And land down there.
Oh, come off of here would be the best place to come off, wouldn't it?
Just got to miss them trees.
So off of here.
Yeah.
That's far down, isn't it? That's got to be 30 foot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Steve, what happened to your Savage?
Servo's gone.
Oh. I think my steering's died again, but now it doesn't work. Oh, what? I wanted to have some fun in here. Servo dead, servo dead.
I haven't done anything yet.
Oh, now it works again. So on this, speed control I think's burnt out. There's no power to the servos. It's intermittent, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. That broke, and funnily enough, the Nitro was the only one that's been reliable all day. Alright guys, we're going to send it off for this mountain thing here. But I've got no steering, so I've just got to hope for the best. So, what could happen? It could go into that holly bush thing, or it could go into that tree. And somehow, we've got to get it to go straight with no steering. Mixed down the bottom with a GoPro. If I hit you, you signed a waiver. Stand there.
It's really scary. Oh, that was nasty. It's alright though. The GoPro fell off though.
Did it survive?
Yeah.
It's just... Go in.
Send it till you kill it.
It needs more run up and more steering.
The further it goes, the more you need to correct it. Oh no.
Here we go.
Ready, William and Abel.
And it takes it. I've fixed the steering. Oh, it did momentarily.
No. Oh yeah.
Ah.
So I don't know why I'm filming it, Kev.
Well, Mick is going to get his MP9 and he's going to jump it off the cliff. He's going to go all the way to the bottom. Oh no! What happened? It fell over, Kev.
This has got to be a 30-foot drop. It doesn't look it on camera, but that's high. And there's not really anything nice to land on neither. Oh, and it landed! It landed!
It's going to go again.
Ready?
Oh, broke it, I think.
It's broken.
Oh no.
No, it's broken.
What happened?
What did you do? Kev broke it. Oh no.
No, I think it's dead.
Reverse, reverse.
Cheers, mate.
Bucket.
Go fun.
Golf club. Bucket.
Hold on, car.
Yay! Oh no!
You have to catch it, dude. I can't get a swing on it.
Throw it like a man.
I love it.
Come on.
Oh,
Self-right.
I haven't got any energy left in me to do anymore.
Are you tired? Don't forget your bucket.
Oh no!
Oh no!
It's not the easiest thing to climb up. I wouldn't like to try and get up this when it's damp.
I'd like to film it.
Guys, this doesn't look steep, but it is. I've made it. I'm alive. I'm alive.
Kev's out the pit.
I'm alive.
Here he comes.
I need a shower.
I wonder what that smell was. It was smelly.
I do feel stinky. Cheers, dude.
What? Don't drop it.
Revo's dead. It's pulled the body shell off as well, look. Need some spaces on there. What's happened here?
Just a wishbone.
Wishbone gone here, but this thing's taken the beating today. It's the only one that's been going all day. We've literally been playing with this thing for hours. Stephen's been wrenching all day, but mainly due to this thing.
Yes.
When in doubt, air it out. What the old MP9 done when it hit the tree. Jesus.
Go around the phone and follow it up.
I'm giving driving tips to Stephen. So how do you do a whip?
Just turn the steering, put the power on it and whip it around. Oh, no, God.
Well, you're saying something about doing it the opposite way around.
Yeah, you got the opposite way to what you want it to go.
So if you want to drive up there and you want to whip
If
it.
you want it to go to the left, when you're in the air, you turn the steering to the right.
Alright, let's see if Steve can do it.
No.
Yeah!
Lovely.
First time he done
Yeah,
it!
and it was a little whip and a turn.
He done his first little whippity whip!
Oh,
I'll go,
Richard.
Marshall.
Marshall! Come on, Marshall!
That's what we're at.
Can you backflip it?
Maybe.
Oh, and it's on its wheels. Oh, straight on the shock tower. That's got to be bent. That has to be bent. Has it bent them? What?
It's unplugged it.
I was expecting these to be like folded right back flat. Has it actually landed like there? So is this a Hyper 8.5, is it?
It is.
Running the old Ripper motor, Max 6 ESC, so it can run on 8S. Those Hobby King batteries do tend to die quite easily.
Yeah, it's one of the older versions. Newer versions are much better.
Oh. What happened?
I broke it.
Ah.
Oh, but no, yeah, it's all right.
Alright, so 8S Steve has now put the Hyper onto 8S. Oh my god, go on and nail it. Oh my god.
About half throttle.
Oh my god. Oh.
That's right.
No.
No. In the tyre.
Oh. Oh, battery's out. Battery's out, foam's out, dignity's out, everything's out.
That's all right.
Look, Stephen, what's broken?
Oh, yeah.
What's broken?
Oh, that's that.
Oh, that's been landed upside down on that log.
That. And that.
I'm not supposed to see you. A spur gear in there. A receiver in there.
It's fault, he egged me on. Steve, what happened?
Servo horn broke.
Now he's got to try and get it all the way back to his car.
Let's just go and where it wants.
Oh no. So, he doesn't want to carry the Savage, so you can try and tow it with the Hyper. I'm sceptical. I reckon it'll pull it, but I'm not sure if it's going to steer it.
I don't know, we'll see. Oh.
Oh, it kind of works.
Oh, no, it's trying to beat up now.
No, well, semi working. All right, attempt number 3 probably. It's kind of working. Nearly hit. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon. Bye.